It's a lot easier to use it in some situations, but it also creates bad habits that I don't want to perpetuate. So I'm going to be using Ansible for everything. So I'm dropping Vagrant from my setup, and I'm just going to do Ansible and VMware. Big file that works. Don't forget the comment at the top. I don't know anything about cloud config, but this is the one that LBG and Gang helped us get together. It works. It has a password of test in there and an RDBX Rob account. This does work. But if you do anything wrong and it doesn't work on the first one, you have to do the whole thing over again and copy the disk over the top of the other one. Directory file is alma.vmx. And if you have the right path for your VM workstation, you can run vm run start alma.vmx. That should start you up. Your VMDK cloud file around, which I have out here. So that you can copy it over the top of the one that you've put inside of your VMware thing if you screw it up. It's just a CD to do that, or a copy CP command. So this is the command line you need. It's an old one for generating an ISO, and this will make a teeny tiny little ISO image that'll have the file metadata and user data in it. Once you get done running that, you'll have this file right here, this cloud-init file, and it'll look for that when you run your cloud-init VM thing from the command line, VM run start, and the name of the Alma8 VMX, and that'll start it up for you. Oops, rum. It's not rum. It's run. Rum is nice too, but that doesn't work. Then after you fill in your user data and your metadata, you run gen ISO, and this will give you a very tiny ISO image, and you can go see that'll be picked up. Now this is on WSL2, so the permissions are kind of messed up, but that'll get used to build your image. We did it. We downloaded Red Hat Enterprise Linux. We used Alma8. We downloaded the QEMU cloud images and converted it using the QEMU-img tool on a WSL, moving the files across. And now we have a running Red Hat Enterprise Linux using Alma, which we're then going to use as our base image.